Hi everybody. Good morning. Hi Bhageshri. Good morning. Hi Prabha. Hi Brijesh. Good morning. Hi Mukshida. Hi Kanika. Good morning. Hi Siddesh. Welcome. A very good morning to all of you. Hi Goswami. Hi Mohan. Good morning. So it's a wonderful Saturday morning here in Bangalore. I welcome you all. Hi Amrut. Hi Mukta. Hi Swapna. Good morning. Hi Shilpa. Hi Naushad. Good morning. Hello everybody. Hope you're all doing fine. Hello Shruti. Hi everybody, I'm fine too. Hope you're all doing great. It's a lovely weather here in Bangalore today. Hi Meenakshi. Yes, good morning everybody. Welcome to the live stream talk of Heart to Heart from Reskill Nation. I am Shubha. I am a teacher by profession. Just to give you a brief background about myself, I was born in a highly orthodox and conservative family. My father was a government employee and my mother is a homemaker. I have two siblings, an elder brother and an younger sister. We all are born and brought up in this beautiful garden city, Bangalore. Yeah, I am married to Mohan uh, for 20 years. It has been 20 years now, and he is highly supportive in all walks of my life. And we are blessed with a wonderful son, Shashank. Just can't imagine he's stepping into his college this year. Time ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಓಡುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. We are four in our family, including my mother-in-law. That is a brief background about myself. I'm sure you all would have listened to the various and successful lady entrepreneurs earlier in this talk, in the show, the Heart to Heart talk. Even I too have enjoyed listening to all of them, and the knowledge sharing and the experience what they have shared with us is immense and is of very high value. Social media. ಯಾರಿಗಿವತ್ತು ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ? ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇನ್ ಟುಡೇಸ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್, isn't it? WhatsApp, Facebook, LinkedIn, Snapchat, Instagram, and this list goes on. But all these did not excite me initially. As I told you, I was born and brought up in a very conservative family, and I did not have much exposure to all these either. ನೀವು ಅನ್ಕೋತಾ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ಈಗ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ. ಎಸ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗೆಸ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್ ರೈಟ್. ಟುಡೇ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕವರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಆಫ್ social media shyness. How shy I was towards social media and how I am able to overcome this shyness and how this has brought a huge change in my life and my personality as well. I was very hesitant about posting my pictures in social media or presenting myself in social media. But Reskill Nation has helped me to overcome this limitation of mine, and it has also taught me how to use this social media as a powerful tool to leverage, by leveraging it and by making my presence very powerful through social media, and also to establish my own brand through social media. I was highly skeptical about even posting my pictures in WhatsApp status. Facebook though, I went into Facebook and looked into it. I was very low in confidence. I did not have the confidence to project myself in front of others. I did not even know how to create a Facebook account. And adding Facebook friends was totally alien to me. Antu into Facebook account eno create ಮಾಡಿದೆ, but of course with the help of my husband Mohan, he helped me in creating the account. But even after creating the account, I wasn't very comfortable to place my picture in that profile pic. I was so hesitant about all these. And I was always feeling it's a silly thing to wish a friend or a relative or somebody through social media on their birthdays or anniversaries or on any such occasions. I would be thinking, what is the need for us to wish them through social media in front of the whole world, when we can personally wish them, when we can go to them and wish them personally or contact them over the phone and wish them? Why at all we have to project it through social media? I had all such inhibitions within me, and that was when I came to know about Reskill Nation through one of my friend. Yeah, Reskill Nation has given me the skill sets and training which now today I am able to use, and I have leveraged it to make social media as a powerful tool. Now I have come to know the importance of social media and how effectively it can be leveraged, and how effectively it can be leveraged, and how successful we can become. And it has also helped me to grow as an individual and build my own brand through social media. Right now I'm talking in front of you all, but few years back I just can't imagine that I would have done so, not even in my wildest dreams. I thank Reskill Nation for unleashing my potential and helping me to use the social media and its capability to the fullest extent. Now I am more confident and able to use the social media in a most powerful way and create my own brand too in the social media. As I told you, I am a teacher, and now it has become a very easy transition for me to switch over to the online teaching methods as well. I hope you're all, I am sure that you can relate to my face what I was going through during my earlier days. Reskill Nation has helped me and many others like me to get the high value skill sets, training that is most relevant and essential for today's digital world. Now being at home, I am able to successfully carry out my venture as well as prioritize and balance my household work, my professional work, as well as my venture more efficiently. I know this pandemic has brought in huge challenges for all of us. And at the same time, it has brought immense opportunities to deal with the challenges in a more confident way. And I have got all this confidence through the skill sets and training that I got through Reskill Nation. It has changed me totally, and I am a more confident person now. I draw huge inspiration from Kalpana Chawla. Here I would like to quote an instance. Like you all know, Kalpana Chawla is an American astronaut. She is the first woman of Indian origin to be in space. She has quoted a very beautiful quote. The path from dream to success does exist. May you have the vision to find it, the courage to get on it, and the perseverance to follow it. Wishing you a great journey. That is what she has mentioned in this quote. This really touched the chord within me, and then I decided to take on this journey to overcome the shyness of social media and to achieve something big in my venture, as well as become overall as a person, become more productive and more confident. I usually draw huge inspiration from all such ladies who have achieved something very big in life. They are a great source of inspiration and motivation, not only to me but to many others, directly as well as indirectly, through their work ethics, their lifestyle, their knowledge sharing, and many other things. Not only these leaders, I am also inspired by all the lady entrepreneurs who have spoken earlier in this heart-to-heart Reskill Nation talk. Each one has inspired me in a very different and unique way. And this Reskill Nation training has helped me to develop as a person overall, and it has given immense confidence in me. These are all due to the skill sets and knowledge what I have gained through Reskill Nation. I really thank Reskill Nation for this wonderful opportunity. And the best part is, this opportunity is available to all of you as well. And it is provided free of cost. In order to learn and know more about this, do sign up on Reskill Nation page and make use of this wonderful opportunity. This is what I wanted to share today, and I really thank you all for being such wonderful listeners. I wish you all the best in all walks of your life. Have a great day, and I'll be signing off. See you. Bye-bye.